there are two types of lavender. Well, no, there are several types of lavender. There's this one, which is my personal favourite because it's brightest and stuff. And this one. Trust me to be the person to get stuck in a lavender bush. How are you doing today?